The control scope process is performed to check if the project work is being done as per the scope baseline and the deliverables are being created as per specifications. So this process keeps a check on scope creep and gold plating. The process is conducted throughout the project as long as there is work going on to build the deliverables. If a defect or a difference is found, a change request will be created and submitted for evaluation and approval. The defect or difference can result from one of the two reasons. First, specifications are good, but work was not done correctly, so deliverable is defective. In this case, the change request will be to correct the defect in the deliverable. Second, the specifications are too tight or cannot be met. It is not possible or not feasible for various reasons to pass the quality control test. So in this case, a recommendation to change the specifications or the plans can be made. Here is an example of control scope process. A house is being built. The framework is up, and now the control quality process is going on. The quality control inspector opens up the drawing and checks the dimensions given as 16 feet 6 inches by 10 feet 6 inches. Then measures the room and finds the sizes 16 feet and 10 feet 1 inch. The size does not match. The inspector identifies the defect and puts in a change request to fix the defect. The inspector has performed the control scope process. If control scope was not done at this stage and the dimensions are left as is, what will happen? The work will continue and the cost to fix the defect will keep rising up. What if the customer objects during validate scope process? The cost to fix the defect at that time will be very high, and the customer satisfaction will also get a hit. So, the control scope process plays a crucial role in reducing scope creep and improving customer satisfaction.